Good day. So welcome to RetailPOZ.com. Today I'm making a very short video for Mr. Chow from Upside. So this is specifically made for you, and the reason why I'm making this video is just to show you the screen that I'm actually going to be shipping out today. So this is this is actually the actual one that we're sending out today, and I wanted you to see that it's perfectly functional, number one. Number two, I would like you to see that the charger is not coming off. Obviously, right now you can see it here. It is pending and hanging a little bit, and it's not coming off. So I'm just going to shake a little bit of the screen so that you can see that it's not going to come off. And I'm going to turn my screen. I'm going to bring it up, down, sideways, and you can see that it's not coming off. Obviously, these chargers are a little heavy. Okay, they're made heavy specifically for a reason. I'm gonna ask you not to let it hang. Okay, and you did see that even hanging, it is not coming off. However, the best thing for it not to come off and to remain hooked to your screen would be really to put it on a flat surface. Putting it on a flat surface will prevent it from coming off. So by leaving it on a flat surface, as you can see, it is not coming off. And you can shake your screen up, down. It's not coming off. Okay, so this is the screen you are getting. I'm going to show you the calibration as well of the screen. So to calibrate it, you have an icon right here that says calibration. Just click on it. You can double click. And you have here a target. Click on it. Click again. Click again. And then you'll accept the calibration once it's completed successfully. And press on OK. Calibration is actually done. Alright, so we're going to be testing a few applications right now, Mr. Child, just to make sure that everything is perfectly functional with the screen that I'm actually sending you today. So I want to make sure that everything is good. Let's click on any icons right now and see if it's working. So we'll click on the software here that I have. And as you can see, it opens up automatically. Log in. OK. And there we go. So that works. I'm going to click the X just to close it. And there we go. It closes right away. If I want to see if there's any documents, there we go. Documents. I have all my documents, my library. Once again, if I want help and support with devices and printers, opens up automatically. And there we go. So everything is perfectly functional with the screen that I'm sending you today. If you feel that sometimes, because obviously once you calibrate it, make sure that you calibrate it with the finger that you're going to be most likely using the screen. I actually used that finger, and that's the one that I'm actually using once I click, as you can see, and it works perfectly. If you see that it's not working very good, just calibrate it once again with the finger that you normally use it most likely. And that's really all I have for you today. So I hope you enjoy your screen, and as you can see, we're going to be shipping it immediately. I'm going to be packing it right now for you. This is the one that you're getting, and try to leave it, as I mentioned, on a flat surface. And you did see that even leaving it hanging, it is not coming off. So I'm going to hang it again, and as you can see, it is not coming out. So there we go. I hope you enjoyed that, and if you have any questions or anything, just feel free to send us an email. Have a great day.